To begin painting the Super Mutant, after priming the model whatever colour you wish, paint over the skin with a dark green. Here I use Scale Colour Artist Olive Green, not worrying too much about armour because they would be painted later. After 3 coats to get a good strong base coat, use a lighter green. Here I use Scale Colour Artist Moss Green and paint the skin again, targeting the areas light would hit. I did 2 coats before I moved on to applying Athonian Camera Shade, a green wash, over the entire model. Then I re-established the mid-tone again to help blending. I make a glaze from a light yellow. This is Miniature Paints Lemon Yellow, and I glaze the skin up towards the highest points of the muscles. This is a tip I got from Next Level Painting for painting orcs using yellow to highlight green. Keep applying this, starting the brush strokes higher each time until you get the intensity you like.
If you like what I'm doing here on the channel, make sure you hit like, leave a comment and subscribe down below. And if you don't like what I'm doing, hit dislike, maybe just leave a comment anyway, it's fine by me. If you're interested in checking out my website, I've got links down below. There you'll find a blog that I keep up to date fairly regular, and also some new merch in the store. So like I say, check down the description for the links, and I'll see you later.